Our research generates nearly $3 billion in economic impact for the state. We have that with generating over 3,000 jobs in the state that are directly supported by our research. And we annually purchase about $100 million in goods and services in the state. So just by actively doing research, we're having that tangible impact, let alone the societal benefit from the work that we do. We've had enormous impact in saving lives through HIV and AIDS, and that's one of our legacy traditions is the work in that area. All kinds of blood diseases. We've been major leaders in a variety of blood diseases, cancer research. We touch millions of lives and patients across the state in the early detection, the monitoring, the screening, and then also the cures through things like CAR T therapies and otherwise. Lots of impacts. The other issue with us being a state institution is that we are really strong stewards of the citizenry here in the state. And so the work that we do, we really try to focus on North Carolina and the benefits that we give back to the state and to the North Carolinians. And so just to give you two examples of research, one is work that we're doing on PFAS removal. And we have some folks who have developed materials that are highly efficient at filtering out PFAS chemicals from drinking water. And we've already put that in place in 2 wastewater systems in the state to remove PFAS. Another example is that we're using AI to develop a portable ultrasound machine. This is work that's coming out of the School of Medicine and the Gilling School, led by Jeff Stringer. It's a handheld portable device that can be operated by a non-technician that you can identify and screen very quickly the positioning and gestational age of a baby to identify whether that baby is at risk and to be able to get that baby to a hospital as quickly as possible. Now that's really important in our medically underserved communities out in the western part of the state and in the eastern part of the state. So those are just 2 examples of the ways that we try to innovate to solve problems in our own state.